I think it's the example you said earlier. It's like this is the worst it's gonna be at this point. It's like, I tell my wife that all the time. Like this is
Yeah.
as good a looking as I'm gonna be. It's only going downhill from here, right? But it's that same kind of thing. And so I want to get into this. Like your current, call it approach methodology for how you're interacting with AI, and you hinted on it a little bit where you were kind of like prototyping with Lovable. You mentioned some requirements with ChatGPT, but like I don't know if you've thought about this kind of thoughtfully, but what are some of the key approaches or tactics or things you do when you're working with AI? Say the different phases, like we're at early like ideation, concepting to hey, I got something that's real. I want to build new features, and you kind of gave the bug fixing example, but talk me through that, especially like when you're going from a Lovable to a cursor, and I think some people get confused there. It's like, well, why am I using two different ones?
Yeah, so I would say Lovable is like really good for like UI, like front end web app
Mm-hmm.
stuff. And it's good to get started. Again, I don't think, at least from my experience, it wasn't great at like turning something like super production ready. And I had like I would then prompt it, I would then take that code and then prompt it in ChatGPT or Cursor to get it like super production ready.